Everyone, how to do so back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use JukeBox AI song generator app. So first of all, you need to install this app, then simply tap on the open button. So you can see here, create with JukeBox. Simply tap here, next, and get started. So this is AI song maker. If you really like music by your own lyrics, then you can use this app to create the perfect one. You have to allow your notification, or you can disallow, no problem at all. So here you can see this is the interface. So what you need to do, simply tap here AI music, left bottom corner, then you can see prompt, my lyrics, photo, AI. So prompt, you have to see here. If you tap on this, you can create one song free, something like generated. You can generate, make music, sky and bird. So you just keep it, then music genre, you can choose genre here. You can see all, then you will get all the genres here. So once you choose, I'm just going to choose this one, and you have to choose the vocal random. You can choose man, woman, random, and simply tap create AI music. So in free mode you will get your music is ready. So you can see here, it's really a short prompt, that's why.